Hey, this is Paul McLellan with this week's video version of Sunday Brunch. First, happy Christmas. So this week, I started the week looking at Kelleher's Keynote from IEDM. Then on Tuesday, my second post from the RISC-V conference. Thursday, I know it's not the last Friday of the month, but it was my December update. Then on Friday, last day before a break, I would normally go off topic, and I wrote that post. But in fact, we did a product announcement of a new DDR5, actually LP DDR5X interface. Breakfast bites fresh every morning.